So Mom she didn't get fries because we just had some potatoes. She got a Texas toast and 3 separate chicken fingers. The chicken fingers are $1.29 a piece. And if you want to add their special cane sauce, it is 39 cents, unless you get a combo and it's free. And that's their specialty. And then we had got some teas. What does it taste like?
No.
You don't know? Okay, let me see. It looks like it's got some pepper in it. Don't eat the chicken until the...
Okay, I don't want to take the big one because it's hot.
Okay.
See this? See this?
I see it.
Yes,
it's very crispy. I can hear the crisp.
Yeah, crispy, very crispy. Son of a bitch, that's good. That's good. Cajun
Raising Cane's.
New Orleans. That's good.
Metairie. This has, I can tell that has mayonnaise in it.
Yeah, probably does.
Yeah.
But this thing is so hot. Woo.
Okay.
Ah. You don't have to worry about things not being hot down here. They burn your mouth.
It looks juicy. Was the chicken juicy or did you get a crispier part?
Crispier part.
Okay. And the Texas toast, look at that.
Not crunchy enough. It's too soft.
The Texas toast is too soft, okay. But let's look at
on the side.
I'm going to take a little piece of one. Ooh, it's hot.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm going to take a piece of that and I'm going to eat the Crispies, okay? That's good. That's like old school Dairy Queen good. Like back in the day, Dairy Queen. That's good.
Boy, it's just too hot.
But the chicken is moist. That's good.
Yeah, it looks moist.
That's good as fuck.
This is half and half here.
That's your half and half, yeah. Try the tea. The tea's pretty good. That is good. Like, oof, that is really good.
Too much sweet. Get a white meat.
It's quite a bit of white meat there.
Yeah, and I'm liking the breading because it's not real thick.
The breading is really good. It's way thinner than Dairy Queen back in the day, too. I would say it's better than Chick-fil-A.
Oh, yeah.
It's better than what Dairy Queen is now. It's probably the best chicken finger that I've tasted. It's like old school Dairy Queen, but with not as much breading, and it's way juicier.
And it's better than Popeyes.
It's better than Popeye's chicken fingers?
Yes, but not their chicken sandwiches.
Right, right. Do you taste the moistness?
If I could say so, it's so hot. Not the same way those potatoes was.
But they have crinkle cut fries, and Franco likes those, so he'll have to be his own judge because we don't like crinkle cuts.
I haven't seen with crinkle cuts.
Well, that's his favorite, like, you know, if he goes to a certain place, like our Stockbridge wing place. So, out of 10, what do you rate it?
A 10.
Not a 9, a 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Is your mukbang done?
Yeah.
You got to do anything else that Tammy does?
That's all she does.
Okay.